You have last 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of the SP Pro Tempore.
Yes, Senator Risa.
Opo, Mr. Chair, kasi siguro napansin, pati ng former president, yung shock ng lahat. Bakit, sir, yan ba ang trabaho ng pulis? Na pumatay ng mga suspected criminals? Sir, yung mic nyo.
Pag dumaban. Bakit
Iba
sila
po yung pagka-express kasi kanina, so I had to clarify.
Bakit
Salamat,
sila-
SP Pro Tempore.
bakit sila
Salamat, Mr.
makamatay?
Chair. No. Hindi yan ang tanong ko. Talagang napaka hindi magandang impression po ng mga statements kanina. Kaya I appreciate the candor of Yusek Kuy at pati kanina ni General Danao.
Look, ma'am,
about it.
may I
Salamat kayo,
interrupt
Mr. Chair.
you
I'm done, Mr. Chair. for now.
kindly?
Go ahead, sir.
Itong mga to, ma'am, galing ito ng mga sa Academy PMA. Hindi ito mga bubo. Hindi rin ito papayag na utusan mo ng illegal. Doon yan sa Academy nila, sa PMA, they are from there to, yung ano talaga yung batas. Kaya pag inutusan mo yan, sabihin mo, patayin mo, sabihin, sir, mukhang hindi pwede yan, sir. I tried. Ako mismo, I tried. Ako, marami ako, patay mo, sir. Sir, kulong mo na lang natin, sir. Sabi ko siya, siguraduhin mo lang na hindi ma-release. Kasi gagawa ng kalukuhan yan uli. And they will mag-hold up na naman yan. Yan ang lalo na yung mga kaso na magnakaw, tapos mag-rape, tapos magpatay, o
Mr. Chair.
Can we let the President complete his sentence? What were you trying to say, sir? That
Yes,
pagka mag-rape, magpatay, magnakaw, magpatay, and then what do we do with them?
ganun na lang ang sadness ko sa trabaho ko.
Thank you.
Kaya hindi ko lang sinabi ko yan kasi hindi ko lang sila mautusan ng gano'n na gaya na sinabi ko, nag-rape ng bata yung pinatay, patayin mo. Hindi ko mautusan tong mga to. Sabi ko, karamihan sila PMA, hindi maniwala yan ganon. Sabi man, sir, mahirap yan. Kulungin na lang natin, sir. Walang dumaan yan sila sa... There was never a time na sinabi ko, patayin ninyo yan. Minsan yung harap-harapan sa crime scene, nakita ko yung bata, 3 years old, rape, patay, tapos nandoon yung tiyuhin. Kung sinabi ko, putang, patayin mo. Out of outrage. In the moment of outrage yung, putang. Sir, kulungin na lang natin yan, sir.
Ano nangyari doon, Mr. President? Yung insidente na yun, napatay nga yung tito? Pinatay? Hindi.
Hindi.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Senator Risa.
Alam ko po na matatalino mga taga-Philippine Military Academy. Hindi po yan ang issue. Ang kinaklarify ko po ay kanina sinabi nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban
Yes.
para mapatay, para
Yes.
masabing nanlaban.
Correct.
Correct.
Para
Ito sa very
ma-minimize.
incorrect.
Correct, yes.
Very incorrect po, if I may
Yes.
say as a
It's not,
civilian, sa professional police.
It
Salamat
depends
tayo,
on,
Mr. Chair.
ano na natin yan, ma'am. That's your view, that.
It's not my view only, Mr. Chair. Thank you for putting it on the record.
Pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako, prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan
salamat
ang totoo
tayo, Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of the community.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for
Senator,
putting it on
Hindi
record,
tayo
Mr. Chair.
magkaintindihan dyan.
Senator Estrada has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
At
Alam
kung
niyo,
pabalikin ako, sir, gagawain ko uli yan. Dublado.
Your Honor,
silence please.
OSAA, silence the gallery, and those who will do that again, exclude them from the hearing hall.
Not my view only, Mr. Chair. Thank you for putting it on record.
Pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako, prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan
salamat
ang totoo
kayo, Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of the community.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for
Senator,
putting it on
Hindi
record,
tayo
Mr. Chair.
magkaintindihan dyan.
Senator Estrada has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
At
Alam
kung
niyo,
pabalikin ako, sir, gagawain ko uli yan. Dublado.
Your Honor,
silence please.
OSAA, silence the gallery, and those who will do that again, exclude them from the hearing hall.
Gallery, please do not encourage me.
Okay, Mr.
Stay
President. Okay, Mr. President, it's now Senator Estrada who has the floor. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Yes,
Chair.
sir.
Alam niyo po, nag-mayor din po ako ng San Juan, kaya